Good morning. Okay, Bath and Body Works is having a candle sale, a 3-week candle sale. I'm sure y'all all seen that by now and placed y'all orders, or you went into the store to grab some candles. You know, a 20% off. I think if you use a 20% on those $13.95 candles, let's see, how much is that? Subtract 20%. $11.16. So you'll probably pay about $11.50 per candle, which is not a bad price. I really like the more like $10 price point. Around $10 is my goal price. Y'all all know that. But this is this is a pretty decent sale. So $11 isn't too bad, or $11.50 isn't too bad. So I did place a BOPUS order. So that's what I'm getting ready to go do now. Leave in the comments, let me know, did you shop this sale? What are some of the candles that you got in this sale? Did you do BOPUS, or did you go into the store and actually pick your candles? Also, do y'all just shop one store, or do y'all shop a number of stores? Also, and another question, how do you rate your BOPUS experience as far as how long does it take for you to get your confirmation that your items is ready? You know, things of that nature. As far as BOPUS, do they always have everything that you're looking for, or do you have a lot of experience with them canceling your items? So leave that down in the bottom. I'm just kind of curious, is everybody BOPUS experience the same, or do you like to shop a certain store because they have amazing BOPUS service? Or do you just don't like BOPUS and you prefer to go into the store and get your own items? So leave that down in the comments. Also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl more comments. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow that hashtag KimbleLitWicks. All that stuff do help. On Instagram, of course, for as the hashtag. So let's go and get this order. I don't know if I'm gonna do a walkthrough or if I'm just gonna go and grab the candles and then just head back home. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm using my camera again instead of my phone. No shade to iPhone, but I just prefer a camera versus using my phone. It's just because the camera, it doesn't do white balance real good. So yeah, unless I just don't know how to do it. If y'all can't tell, I got a slight cold. Yeah, I got a slight cold, so I sound a little like nasally. So anyway, so yeah, let's head over to the store. Let's grab this stuff. I'm gonna do a car haul with the stuff so y'all can see exactly what I got. Only thing I got was candles. I didn't use any of my rewards. So let's head over here. Let's grab this stuff real quick and let's go, y'all. Okay, y'all, I just made it to the store. That's crazy. When you find a coupon on the ground, I was so happy to see this on the ground, but it's expired. So this is trash. Bummer. So I just made it over to the store. So I'm gonna grab this BOPUS order, and then I'm just gonna be right back out the store. I don't have anything else I need. So let's get in here and get this order. Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. Bummer. I have a BOPUS order to pick up.
Oh, sure.
Okay, yeah, I got the items. Yeah, this is gonna be it. Yeah. unless they have something new, which I don't see. So yeah, this is it. I'm done with the sale. The neutrals. Yeah, let's get out of here. Okay, got the order. This bag is super duper heavy. Got the order. None of my items was canceled. Also, y'all, like I said earlier, leave in the comments your BOPUS experience. You know, how long does it take for your order to actually be fulfilled? Do you deal with a lot of cancellations? Leave that down in the comments. I'm just kind of curious. I just want to know. Let's get in the car so I could do a haul, so I can show y'all what I got. Okay, like I said, oh, this bag is heavy. I got the bag. They still using these Christmas bags, but whatever. 2 crates. So I got a total of 8 candles. It looks like these 2 might be the same ones. As y'all know, I am crazy for this blushing geranium candle. Love this candle. So I decided to go ahead and grab 2 on this sale because of the price point. These are $29.95 candles. So now was a really good time to go ahead and grab these candles because I really do like this scent. And this candle is the reason why I placed the order at this store, because in my other stores they are completely sold out of this candle. So I had to go ahead and grab it. Okay, the next candle I got is, what is this? Starfruit and Mandarin. Yes, y'all, Starfruit and Mandarin. I think this is a more citrus, yes, more of a citrus scented candle. Yes, citrus forward candle. We're gonna give these a try and see exactly what they do. This is my first time purchasing this. I don't have this. As y'all do know, I'm trying to get all of the new candles, and I think I'm still missing a couple. Okay, the next 2. These next 2, I decided to go ahead and buy a 2, which is in the neutral collection, and this is yuzu plus white pineapple. As you see the scent notes on the front, hopefully y'all can read that, but this is the new collection. Tropical pineapple starfruit. Yes, we're gonna see what this one give us. Hopefully this throws. Smelling a little light. I get pineapple, but it's kind of light. It's kind of light now. I'm hoping it does good once it starts burning, or once I put it on the warmer. If it don't throw good and it do better on the warmer, I most definitely would be satisfied. So let's see the next one. I got a backup of vanilla musk. Now, I have burned the other one I have, as well as I did put it on the warmer yesterday. And I'm sorry to say that so far, this is not giving me what I thought it was going to give. It's doing exactly what vanilla scented candles do. We all know vanilla scented candles, they just don't throw. They just do not throw. And not to say that this candle smells bad, because it actually smells really, really good. But if you're looking for a powerhouse candle, this isn't it. This is not it. If you're just looking for a candle that plays more in the background, then yes, this is a winner. If you love those vanilla scented candles, then yes, this is a winner. This is most definitely a unique, more of a not necessarily a gourmand, but it most definitely is more of a luxury like vanilla scented candle. So it's not bad at all, but don't look at this candle to be throwing at like powerhouse status or blow you out the room status. That ain't what this is going to give you. But if you just love vanilla scented candles, then yes, go ahead and get it. So I think I'm just going to be 2 and done with this. I think for this scent, I think I'm gonna go heavy with the room sprays, not the candle. I'm gonna buy a couple of more of the room sprays because I really do like it, and you really get that scent from the room spray. So yeah, I only got 2 more. The last 2 is one. I decided to go ahead and grab the Palo Santo and Sage. Yes, Palo Santo and Sage. Sage, Palo Santo, and wood. So yeah, y'all do know I am crazy about Palo Santo. Love it. And I feel like this is going to be more of an earthy, like, not necessarily like smoky or anything like that. I got a feeling it's going to be, I want it to be balanced. A little bit earthy, a little bit wood. So let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to like this. Yeah, I do smell that sage in here. I think this is going to be nice. So I cannot wait to burn this one. Yes, Palo Santo plus sage. I feel like this is a really good combination because, yes, Palo Santo's supposed to clear the negativity, balance the energy, and as y'all do know, sage, people use sage for the same thing. So yes, this is most definitely will be a really good meditating candle, to clear all of the stress and just focus. This most definitely will be really good when you're trying to be creative, meaning like when you sit down and you plan your budget, you planning your grocery list, you know, you're trying to de-stress from work. That's what this candle will do for you. That's how I, picture this candle will do. Hopefully it gives me that, a sense of peace, hopefully. So yeah, I'm glad to have this one. I think I most definitely will grab some more of this. Yeah, I do want to try more of this. But again, I need to burn it to make sure. And then the last candle I got, I decided to get another Rose Plus Lychee. I like this scent. It's not for everybody. Not everybody like rose scents. Some people wanted this to be super sweet, but to me, it's almost like it's a very unique scented rose candle. It's slightly sweet, but you still get that floral in this. I have burned this one a couple of times. The throw is more on a medium scale. It's not a powerhouse at all. In my area, in my house, it's not a powerhouse at all, but it's rose, lychee, raspberry is the scent notes. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. If you like those rose scents, if you want something unique, a unique type of rose, then yeah, this is a winner. So that's everything I got. Let me know, what did you get on this $13.95 sale? If you had a 20% coupon, you got the candles for about $11.50, depending on your tax. So we're gonna say about $11.50. So yeah, leave that down in the comments. As y'all do see, I did grab 8 candles. I still have a couple of candles that I have not got. This order most definitely made me go over budget. So next month I'm gonna plan better. Let's put it like that. Next month I have to do a little bit better because I think I'm over my budget about $150. You know, this budget might just be a little too hard for me to do. So yeah, this is everything I got. Like I said, leave in the comments, let me know what are the items that you got from this sale, or did you just go ahead and skip because you already have everything, or these candles don't appeal to you. Leave that down in the comments. Again, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, follow me on all of my social media platforms, use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick on Instagram, of course. Shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always coming through, having my back, watching everything I put out. I truly appreciate it. Because of you, your girl keep posting. So thank you for supporting me. And I'm gonna get out of here, head on back home, burn some of these candles to see what kind of vibe they throw. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.